Hello everyone, my name is Brian. I'm going to show you how to mount the Graves Motorsport block-off plates. It's something like this. It's for a Yamaha R6 2007, and yeah, in a couple of minutes I will remove the gas tank, and then I will show everything. First of all, I want to say make this movie for Guy Mendes. He's a guy from New Zealand. I know him from Facebook, so buddy, this one's for you. So if you remove the gas tank, first of all, this, then you need a 36 millimeter to remove this one, and then you can remove the tank. But I will show you. By the way, it's all recorded with my my iPhone, so no GoPro. I'm not that rich. I'm just a poor guy from Belgium. But try to do everything by myself. Love track riding, so a hobby like everyone. So I will remove this one, and then I will show you why I cracked this one already loose with a 36 millimeter. Then when this one is all the way loose, there's no much more steps than for taking the tank off, I mean. So this one is off. Put it by the other parts like this, and let's go ahead. So yeah, I have to take off the seat also, because it's blocked the other one you have to lose. So for me it's just 4 flathead screwdrivers. Screws, I mean. Screwdriver, yeah. That's what I'm holding. Take off the underseat also, and that's just a quick release. So it's like this. It's one loose. This is the other one. It's also loose. 2 more on the other side. And I'll pick this up. Put it on the bench. And one more here. I'm not used to it filming and working together. So we have this here. My Allen key. So this one is removed. Now I can take this one off. Taking this one off. Now you see, without the fairing. So now you release this one here with an Allen wrench. Then you can start. Now I'm going to show you a tech tip, or how do you call it, if you cannot reach with like this. You can always put it like this and use a smaller wrench. Put it on like this, then you can take it loose. See, now it's loose. So maybe if you didn't know, you can always do it like this. So if you don't have a T-hand or no ratchet to do it, Okay, I'm gonna take this one out. Now we're gonna take two side panels off. This one and the other side. Before you can take the tank off, the gas tank, you have to take these two, one here or one on the other side, loose, and then yeah, you can take it off. Up the gas tank like I do, just with a screwdriver. Now you can take the gas lines off, and yeah, some useful information. Do it with an empty gas tank, not like I did. Mine is filled up, so yeah, it's quite heavy. So now when the gas tank is removed, you can disassemble the airbox. So first of all, I'm going to do a clamp here. Okay, this one is okay. Take the hose off, the air breather hose from the engine. Then you have to disconnect everything and take the full box off. So I'm going to do that, and then we proceed. Okay. So now you remove 9 of these screws. You have 9 of them. Here is also one. And then you can proceed on to take the airbox off. Now I'm going to do that off camera because I'm not handy with holding a camera and working with tools. So for removing this, there's a special thing. You have to pull this up, and then you have to press on both sides, like this. You have to press it in, but sometimes you don't have the space, and there are some pliers available. If you don't have this, you can use 2 flathead screwdrivers, and it will work also. So some advice: when the top is off, you have to release these 6 bolts, then you can take the whole thing off. And you have to be here, so I will have to take much more off to get it. Let's go. So this is the junk you have to remove. This one here, and the electrics and some more junk. It's for emissions, and also when you decatted your bike or with a full race exhaust on it, then it will shoot flames and pop, and it will damage your valve. So that's why you have to put the block-off plates on it. It will not do that anymore. It will not be as cool like some people say, but it's definitely more helpful for the engine. So let's proceed. So I disconnected all these plugs, one from here. Now I'm going to remove this one. That's from the emission shit. So this one is released. I will take my light so you can see. And now I'm going to release those clamps. This one, and yeah, that hose here also. So let's go. So if you released the 2 clamps there and there, you can normally take off. I will set up my light. So everyone can see. So you can just pull it off like this, and you can take it out. So that's the bad guy. And yeah, that's for the trash. And so now you have to take this away, and you see that plate and this one. So you undo the bolt, and normally they are with two guys on there. You see both of them. Yeah, but you have to do the two bolts, this one and this one, and on the other side also, and then you can take the cap off, and then I will show you how to do it further. Now for bolts are out, but damn man, they did a thread locker on it. For Christ's sake, it's not normal. I spent 30 minutes for 4 bolts. So now you have to take this one off, this one off. You can stick a screwdriver in it, and you yank it, and then it will come off. Wait, I will show it. Oh, thick screwdriver. See? Now it's off. This one also. Try the lighting. See? Now it's off. So take this one out. Don't need that. Take this one out. Also don't need that. So now you see, wait, I will give some light. Now you see the reed valve, or how you, I don't know how you call it. You let them in and just put on the plates with the bolts and clean out the holes. That's what I have to do because of the thread locker. So I will be right back to you. Okay, see you soon. So now you see, I'm going to open it. And it's hard for the do it for the camera. Now put this in the trash. Now you can see it, but so take it out. Installation instructions on the website, but I don't need that. I know what to do. So you have block of plate 1, block of plate 2, and you get this, that small thing, piece of rubber, and I will show it what to do. So if you take the airbox, you have this hose. It was connected to the airbox and it will fit here, so you don't need it. And now you take the rubber thing and you put it on here, and now it's blocked off, so we can install it back again. But now first I'm going to put the plates back, and yeah, you guys, something I have to mention. You see that space here, that has to be like this, because I don't know if you can see it. Wait, I will show it. You have 2 pins on the valve, the reed valve, and that's for the open space in the block of plates. So I will have to mount it like this. This on the back side where you see the pins. Okay. So that will be the end result. This one on the other side also. Now you can tighten them, and if you want to change your spark plugs, now it's the time. So we'll see you soon.